AC Repair, Ridgeview and Ridgeview Crossings. If you're looking for an air conditioning repair company in Ridgeview and Ridgeview Crossing, which you can actually trust, then you came to the right place. All Services Air Conditioning has been supplying Raving Fan Service in South Florida since 1990. That's a long time. What do we mean by Raving Fan Service? Well, you can read our Google reviews to get an idea. If you are not watching this video from our website, click the link below the video and navigate there now. Then you will read our customer reviews from our Google business page, and you will readily see that our reputation for honest, professional, and friendly service precedes us. Now check this out. All Services Air Conditioning happens to be the home of the lowest AC repair price guarantee. Here's how it works. Get a written price quote from a local, state of Florida licensed AC repair company and present it to us. We will not only meet that price, we will beat it by 18%. Yes, you heard that right, by a whopping 18%. All Services Air Conditioning is licensed, insured, and ready to help you get your cold on. So give us a call at 954-749-0800. You'll be glad you did. 954-749-0800. Call now.